Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus in granite crystal metallic. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature control, power sliding doors, second row and third row stow and go seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5815.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.